Imagine waking up to see that a random coin with a dog's face just made someone a millionaire overnight. Crazy, right? But here's the real question. Is it too late for you to cash in on meme coins? Or is this a financial trap waiting to destroy your hard-earned money? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what meme coins are, how they work, and whether they can actually make you rich or just leave you broke. Let's dive in. Meme coins. Just the name itself sounds like a joke. And that's exactly how they start. Born from internet culture, often with no real purpose other than being fun. Take Dogecoin, for example. Originally created as a joke, it turned into a billion-dollar asset when Elon Musk started tweeting about it. But here's the kicker. Some of these so-called joke coins have outperformed even serious projects in crypto. I mean, imagine explaining to your financial advisor that your retirement plan depends on a coin with a cartoon dog. That should go well, right? But meme coins aren't just random internet jokes. They run on blockchain technology, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Most of them are built on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, allowing anyone to create a new coin in a matter of minutes. Yes, minutes. Think about what that means. Literally, anyone with basic coding knowledge can create a cryptocurrency and launch it into the world. This means the market gets flooded with thousands of new coins, making it incredibly hard to differentiate between a legitimate opportunity and a potential scam. Meme coins thrive on one thing: hype. They explode when celebrities or influencers back them, and entire online communities rally behind them, pushing their prices to insane levels. But, and here's the terrifying part, the same hype that makes you rich overnight can also wipe out your investment in seconds. Let's talk numbers. Some early Dogecoin investors turned $1,000 into millions. But for every success story, there are countless people who bought in at the peak, only to watch their investments crash by 90% overnight. Remember Squid Game coin? It skyrocketed thousands of percent in days, only for the developers to pull the rug, vanishing with millions of dollars in investors' money. And it's not just Squid Game coin. There are countless meme coins that have seen similar rises and falls. Some were outright scams designed to trick investors before disappearing with their money. Others simply couldn't sustain their hype and faded into irrelevance. But despite these risks, people still invest in them. Why? Because the lure of quick riches is simply too strong. So, are meme coins just modern-day lottery tickets? Or is there a real strategy behind profiting from them? Here's the reality. Meme coins are not long-term investments. They are pure speculation, driven by hype, social media trends, and, let's be honest, FOMO, fear of missing out. If you're jumping in, you need to treat it like gambling. Only invest what you're willing to lose, because in this game, timing is everything. And that brings us to the most important question. Which meme coins still have potential in 2025? Some argue that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have broken past the meme coin stereotype. Dogecoin is now being accepted for payments by major companies, and Shiba Inu has developed its own decentralized exchange and even a metaverse project. These steps indicate a shift. Perhaps meme coins are no longer just about the joke, but about creating actual ecosystems and use cases. However, this is still a highly speculative space, and predicting which meme coins will succeed is nearly impossible. So if you're planning to invest in meme coins, here are 3 critical rules you must follow. First, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Second, always research the project thoroughly. Who is behind it? What are their plans? Is there a real community backing it? And third, have an exit strategy. The biggest mistake investors make is holding on for too long, expecting the price to keep going up. If you're in profit, know when to take some money off the table. But what if I told you that there's an entirely new class of meme coins emerging? Ones that might have real staying power. To find out, click on this video right here, where I break down the top meme coins for 2025. You don't want to miss this one. See you there.